Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to set a scale on your page. So first things first, I need to see if somebody has actually laid out a scale for us. So I'm going to hold my control key, I'm going to mouse wheel into the drawing, I'm going to come to here, and you'll notice that they've set the scale, 1/8 of an inch equals 1 foot. Perfect. I'm going to go to my scale. I'm going to use one of my default scales here because I know what it's supposed to be. So I'm going to use this one here. You'll see at the bottom here, it's now says that my scale is 1/8 of an inch equals 1 foot. But what happens if we don't have this? What happens if somebody has not laid this out for us? No problem. We'll come up to our scale. We'll define the scale. And we'll go to Imperial and we'll define it as 8 feet because I know from here to here this is 8 feet and I want to take a measurement of this to set my scale. So I set it to 8 feet. Proceed. I'm going to zoom in to get as accurate as possible. And I'm going to mark this as 8 feet. And now if you look down here, it'll say user defined, which means we've set our scale now. To check this, we're going to delete that. We are going to go to our line measure tool. Line measure. Hit record. And we're going to measure this out as accurate as possible. And you'll see that from here to here, as we measure, it's 8 feet, which means our scale has been set correctly. And that's it. That's how you set a scale. That's how you define your own scale. Hope this works.